2018 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, tachometer, brake assist, Sirius Satellite Radio, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.